Today, we're switching from taking photos to shooting video on the Canon Rebel T7. Even though it's the same camera, video works a little differently than photography. In video, the camera is recording many photos every second, which means some settings are more limited and others become more important. Question number 1. What is video made up of? Is it A, one long photo? B, many photos played quickly? C, a slideshow? Or D, a time lapse? The correct response is B, many photos played quickly. Step 1. Switching to video mode. To shoot video on the Rebel T7, turn the mode dial to the movie camera icon. When you do this, the screen becomes your viewfinder. What you see on the screen is exactly what the video will record. Question number 2. What happens when you switch to video mode? Is it A, the viewfinder works the same? B, the camera only takes photos? C, the screen becomes the main display? Or D, the camera turns off? The correct response is C, the screen becomes the main display. The Rebel T7 records in 1080 HD, which is great quality for beginners. Frame rate means how many frames are recorded each second. The Rebel T7 records at 30 frames per second, which is standard for most videos. All right, question number 3. What does frame rate mean? Is it A, how bright the video is? B, how long the video is? C, how many frames are recorded per second? Or D, how much storage is used? If you said C, you are correct. How many frames are recorded per second? Step 3. Shutter speed in video. In video, shutter speed doesn't change freely like photos. A good rule is to keep your shutter speed around 1/60. This helps motion look natural instead of choppy or blurry. Question number 4. Why is shutter speed more limited in video? Is it A, video uses flash? B, video needs constant motion? C, the lens can't move? Or D, the camera looks at it randomly? The correct response is B, video needs constant motion. Aperture still controls depth of field in video. A lower f-stop gives you a blurry background, and a higher f-stop keeps more in focus. But remember, changing aperture also changes brightness. All right, here we go with question number 5. What does aperture affect in video? Is it A, sound quality? B, color temperature? C, depth of field and brightness? Or D, video length? The correct response is C. ISO controls how bright your video is, especially in low light. In video, high ISO can create grainy footage, which is more noticeable than in photos. Always try to use the lowest ISO possible for clean video. Question number 6. What happens if ISO is too high in video? Is it A, the video becomes sharper? B, video becomes darker? C, video becomes grainy? Or D, video records slower? The correct response is C. Video becomes grainy. The Rebel T7 uses continuous autofocus, but it's not perfect. For beginner videos, it's often better to set focus before recording. Keep your subject at the same distance. Sudden movement can cause focus hunting. Question number 7. Why can autofocus be tricky in video? Is it A, it uses flash? B, it constantly adjusts focus? C, it only works in daylight? Or D, it turns off automatically? The correct response is B, it constantly adjusts focus. Shaky video is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. To fix this, use both hands. Keep elbows tucked. Avoid zooming while recording. Use a tripod if possible. Question number 8. What helps reduce shaky video? Is it A, zooming in? B, fast movement? C, holding the camera steady? Or D, using a flash? Correct response is C, holding the camera steady. The Rebel T7 uses a built-in microphone. It records all nearby sound, including wind. Quiet environments equals better audio. Question number 9. What does the built-in microphone record? Is it A, only voices? B, only the subject? C, all nearby sound? D, nothing. Correct response is C, all nearby sound. To start recording, press the Live View Record button. To stop, press it again. Always wait a second before and after action so you don't cut things off. Question number 10. What button starts and stops video recording? Is it A, the shutter button? B, menu button? C, Live View Record button? Or D, power switch? The correct response is C, View Record button. Video on the Canon Rebel T7 is about control and simplicity. Your goal isn't Hollywood, it's steady footage, proper brightness, clear focus. Once you master these basics, your videos instantly look more professional.